Blizzard Blackout. Written by Eva Channel. Illustrated by Omar Arda. Focus question. What do you learn about Ellie and her family during the winter storm? Ellie looked out the window. The snow was coming down all over the city. The lights were out as far as she could see. Why are the lights off? Asked her little brother Ben. The storm made the power go out, said Mom. That little cat. He put them all around the apartment. Ellie hugged Ben. Just think, we can pretend we're living the time before the powers, she said. The family played more games into the candle melts. The power was still out the next day. What about school? Asked Ben. The school is closed, Dad said with a tired smile. Ellie grabbed Ben's hands. Just think, we can spend the day doing whatever we like, she said. The family took Spooky's story in front of the fire. The power was still out the next day. I'm cold, Ben said with a frown. Everyone looked unhappy. Ellie brought out extra coat and blanket. Just think, we can wear our favorite coat all at the same time, she said. The family squeezed into as much clothes as possible. Suddenly, all of the lights turned on. The power was back. The family cheered. Just think, now everything can finally go back to normal.